This is an easiest way to make sausage roll at home. First thing first, turn on the oven for 115 degrees. And I have a pastry here that I got from supermarket. And then I cut the pastry into 4 squares. Important, you need to pick your favorite sausages from your local. First, peeling the skin slowly, then pushing down means quickly like so. Roll over the pastry, and I use my finger to stick them together so the pastry will not break down while in the oven. Then placing on the tray, brushing them with egg yolk on the top all over. Then placing in oven 150 degrees for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your oven tutor. This is a fresh from the oven. Looking great. And don't forget a tomato sauce. Honestly, I love my sausage roll.